I'm just going to show you very quickly how to turn on the settings for an iPad and a Chromebook when using Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor. So I'm going to go into a quiz. So you click on Quizzes. Once you're there, you'll see the Lockdown Browser tab. If you click on that, sometimes it takes a second to load. So this is not automatic that students are able to use a Chromebook and an iPad. You have to enable this in order for the students to be able to use those. I do understand that it is in beta version. Okay, so I'm just going to come down here. Let me find one to set it on. I was going to set it on this one anyway. So I'm going to the module exam settings. And if I wanted to require it, you have to click require. All right, and then go to advanced settings. And once you're there, then you will see require it will already be checked. Allow student, I just ignore the second part, allow students to take this exam using an iPad, and allow students now to use a Chromebook. It is in the beta version. And then another new choice that you can choose is I would like to let them use a scientific calculator. Okay, so again, there you see the settings. The advanced settings is all you need to go into to be able to do that. And if you go down to the bottom and hit save and close, then your students are now able to use a Chromebook.